The plans to introduce the workplace safety legislation are based on observations as well as people working at heights falling to their deaths. This is according to Minister of Labor, Social Security and Third Sector Colin Jordan. He was addressing a workplace wellness in action forum at the Barbados Workers Union.
We've recently had some conversations in our ministry about some observations that we've made and some things that we've seen with respect to persons working at heights. Some of those observations include the fact that there have been, in the last maybe 4 or 5 years, some tragedies coming out of persons working at heights. And we've started a discussion. We'll engage the union on that. But we've started a discussion because we believe that this may be the time when we need some regulation on work at heights.
The forum, hosted by the National Committee on Wellness in the Workplace, showcased successful initiatives from organizations across the island. Mr. Jordan says employees who are well mean fewer health issues in the workplace.
We still want safety and health committees to make sure there are no trip hazards, no dangerous situations. But we also want those committees and workers generally and employers generally to recognize that wellness is really overarching. And like I said before, if we get that right, then many safety issues, many health issues will become less issues, and we'll be able to have more committed, more productive, and more fulfilled workers in our workspaces.
BWU General Secretary Tony Moore, meanwhile, is calling on employees to be responsible for their own wellness.
I start with employees needing to recognize that your wellness is your responsibility. Self-love and self-care. Don't depend on people to do for you what you ought to be doing for yourself.
The National Workplace Wellness Policy, implemented in 2019, helps guide employers and employees in implementing wellness programs and policies at the workplace. Anesta Henry, CBC News.